Continue. These undeveloped students who have not gathered much Torah knowledge seek to gain prestige in the eyes of the common people and inhabitants of the city by jumping to sit at the head of all questions of the laws and Halachic Judgement of Israel. So how does it today apply? What do we see? It's apply in every shul, in every synagogue, almost. Let's say almost. I hope there are exceptions. But but apply in all of them that I witnessed. So this board of the directors, unless there is one rabbi who owns the shul, that's a different story, right? But otherwise, there is a board of the directors who in charge and who tells how to run the shul. So maybe I hope there is one decent person on that board. I hope, but usually majority, huge majority, these ignorant people, arrogant, all of them arrogant, all of them who speaks very loud, obnoxious, this and that, many not religious, many intermarry, and these people tell the whole community what to do, basically. Right? That's exactly what Rambam is talking about. And in some sense, the rendering judgment should be invite this person or not invite this person. That's a big deal, right? So all of these students, they spread division, destroy the world, right? So that it's not like just because they have unity among themselves that it's unity in the world. It's absolutely not. So unity is only, so people very often talk about unity. The Jewish people should unite. We should unite. That's what HaShem wants, but only around His Torah, not around some wicked people who allow who agree to participate. Right? They spread divisions, destroy the world, extinguish the light of the Torah, and wreak havoc in the wilderness of God of hosts. Havoc. 46. Commentary. The Kesef Mishnah notes that although the Mishnah Torah was composed in a timeless book of Halachah, the Rambam's harsh criticism here may have resulted from the prevalence of unqualified students who sought rabbinical position in his time. But I'm not sure why this case of Mishnah. I mean, maybe in case of Mishnah it was different, but today is a very bad situation. All of these unqualified people, they try to get these positions. Okay. So, wreak havoc in the vineyards of God of hosts. 47. There is a people of Israel, right? That's okay. Continue. In his wisdom, Shlomo alluded to them as follows: Song of Songs 2:15. Take for us foxes, little foxes that spoil the vineyard. Our vineyards are blooming. Right, little foxes that spoil. I'm not sure if these foxes eat grapes. Maybe yes, maybe not. But for sure that they can spoil. They can spoil anything.